Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this problem we are given ABCD is a square and this semicircle is drawn whose diameter is AB. This is the center, the midpoint of the side AB, and this C touches this semicircle at point E. BE is joined. So we have to find the value of the angle CEB. Once again, this problem is a moderate problem. It's not simple, it's not tough. It's 9th graded problem. It's a 9th standard problem in which we can use alternate segment theorem and the congruent tangents theorem. In a circle or semicircle, if this is a tangent and from the point of contact this chord is drawn, so angle between the chord and the tangent will be equal to the angle subtended by this chord in alternate segment anywhere. That means this angle is equal to this angle. This is alternate segment theorem. And from outside point two tangents can be drawn and both the tangents are equal. So this is equal to this. These two tangents are equal. In this case, CB is equal to CE because C is the exterior point and from C this is drawn because this is 90. CB is tangent, C is tangent also. C is given as tangent and this is the tangent touches because it is 90. Radius and tangent at the point of contact will be mutually perpendicular. So this CB and CE are equal. If we join EA, so this chord BE will subtend angle BAE, and that is by alternate segment theorem. Angle CEB is equal to angle BEA. So whatever is this angle is equal to this angle. Let us suppose this is x. So this is x. We have to find this x. If we join this center of the semicircle to this point, let us suppose this center point is O. Join EO, radius EO. So this angle is x. OA is equal to OE. These two are equal and is equal to OB. All are radii. This angle is equal to this angle because this is an isosceles triangle because OA is equal to OE. If it is so, then this is exterior angle will be equal to sum of these two, or we can say that double of this will be the circumference angle is half the central angle. So this is 2x. This whole thing is 2x. If we join OC, this angle AEB is the angle subtended by diameter. That means angle of semicircle which is 90. This thing is 90. This part only is 90 minus x. This is 90 minus x and this is x. We have already assumed it. So sum of these two will be 90 minus x plus x. This is 90. This angle is 90. And this angle is 90. This OE is equal to OB and this BC is equal to CE. We can say that this is a kite, and as well as we can say that EOBC is a cyclic quadrilateral. And this angle is equal to this angle because this is common and these two are equal. These equal by SSS test of congruency. This is also x. This whole is 2x, only this part is x. And further we can say that this whole AB is this OB is half of AB. So if we take this OB as radius of the semicircle, then this AB will be 2r. So this CB is 2r. This is r, this is r, this is r, this is 2r. Now we have to use trigonometry. So it is not 9th graded problem, because we are going to use trigonometry here. We have to find this angle's value. We know this side r and this side 2r. So in this triangle, in triangle OEC, if we use tan x is equal to perpendicular upon base, which is opposite over adjacent. So tan x is equal to CE upon OE, which is 2r by r. So that means tangent of x is equal to 2, r cancelled. So x is equal to, we can say either tan inverse 2, or we can say that x is equal to r tan 2. And in degrees from calculator, approximately this angle, which is equal to this angle is equal to this angle, we need CEB. So therefore angle CEB, which is x, is equal to approximately 63.43 degree, and this is the answer.